All right, today we're here to talk about starting your own massage business. Now, as a massage therapist, I've been doing this a while, and in the very beginning, I did not own my own massage business. I worked for other people. I did enjoy that. I got some experience and learned. But I know there's some massage therapists that are coming out of school and they want to start their business right away. And from going to massage school, I also know that they don't teach you much about business. They don't teach much about marketing. So that's what I'm here to help you with. So first things first, if you are going to start your own massage business, you really want to look at a location. And I will put down in the link below my video on location and how important it is to learn about certain things when you're picking your location. But you want to find a location. There are a lot of massage therapists right now doing mobile massage, and that's great as well. But make sure that is clear when you're advertising that you do mobile massage and you don't have a brick and mortar place that you're working out of. So finding your location is one. Second, you're going to want to decide, are you going to be working solo or are you going to have a team that you're going to be working with? So coming up with a game plan for that. Of course, your business plan is very important and you want to have that already in place. You also want to look at the little things like what you're going to need for marketing, photos, emails, newsletters. Are you going to be advertising through billboards, magazines? How are you going to do those things? So you want to come up with goals and plan that out as well. You're going to have a budget for marketing. And I wanted to try to make this as easy as possible for people just starting out, especially as a new business, because I know how difficult it can be. I've been through those struggles myself, and I have learned a lot. So what I did was I put together a Patreon page, and I will put the Patreon page link below as well. You can go over to there. I have intake forms because you'll need some for different services that you're doing, spa services, if you're doing body wraps, if you're just doing a regular massage or a seated chair massage, you will need different intake forms for that. You're also going to need newsletters to be sending out, emails, thank you cards, a lot of different fun photos to send out to your clients, either through social media or email. So I have all that linked to my Patreon account below. You can go ahead and visit that to get that information, and it will make building this business a lot easier. But once you have your location, you've decided on either a team or working solo, you've had all the little things in hand like your intake forms and your marketing, you want to decide on what type of clientele you want to be working with. What type of services you want to do will determine to what type of clientele you're going to be working with. And then you want to market to them. And that'll get you bringing these clients in to your business. And then it goes on from there. It does take time. Don't get aggravated. Don't get upset with yourself. My first month in business as a business owner for massage, I had just enough clients to cover my rent, and that was 6. So honestly, it will get built as strong and as big as you want it to. Keep moving forward. And don't forget to look into a lot of different ways to market your clients. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel to help you. Also, just look into what the different areas that your clients are looking to get work on. Is it more therapeutic, more deep tissue, and you can scale your business that way. So I hope this video has helped you. If you are new to massage and new to building your own business, then again, look at some of the videos I have already posted that can help you with marketing. Don't forget to go to the link below on my Patreon page. You'll have a lot of information on there to help you as a new business owner, or if you've been a business owner, some ads and some photos to help you continue to grow your business. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with other friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.